Good morning everyone, myself Shiva and today I will be presenting our project titled De Novo Crystal Structure Generation from Composition. This project focuses on using machine learning techniques to generate possible crystal structures from given chemical compositions. Our project belongs to group G967 and it is based on studying and implementing a research model called CDVAE, which helps in generating crystal structures using artificial intelligence. Let me start with the introduction. Our project aims to generate crystal structures using machine learning techniques. The goal is to predict possible crystal structures based on only a given chemical composition. This can help researchers discover new material faster. Our team members are Kaushik, Shiva, Kruti, Kamlesh, Arun and Siri. Together, we are studying the research paper and understanding how the model works. Next comes the understanding the base paper. Our project is based on a research paper that introduces a model called Crystal Diffusion Variational Autoencoder or CDVAE. This model learns patterns from existing crystal structures stored in material datasets. After learning these patterns, the model can generate a new possible crystal structures. Traditional methods of discovering materials require complex simulation and lot of time. The CDVAE model helps speed up this process using machine learning techniques. Also, the CDVAE model combines variational autoencoder and diffusion models. A variational autoencoder or VAE is a type of machine learning model that learns to represent complex data in a compressed form called latent space. This latent space helps the model understand the important patterns and relationships in crystal structures. The diffusion part of the model gradually generates crystal structure by learning how data changes step by step. By combining these two techniques, the CDVAE model can generate realistic and stable crystal structures. This makes the model very useful in modern material science research. Now let us understand the problem of our project addresses. Scientists are always searching for a new material for modern technologies such as batteries, solar cells and catalysts. However, discovering a new materials manually is very slow and expensive. Researchers must test many combinations of elements, which can take years. Machine learning can help predict new materials faster by learning patterns from existing data. This makes the discovery process more efficient and cost effective. Other major challenge in material discovery is the huge number of possible chemical combinations. If scientists are to test all possible combinations manually, it would take many years of research and lot of computational power. Because of this, researchers are now using artificial intelligence and machine learning models to explore the material space more efficiently. Machine learning models can analyze large datasets of known materials and learn hidden patterns from them. Using these patterns, the system can suggest new possible materials that scientists may not have considered before. Now I will explain the scope of our project. In this project, we plan to study the CDVAE model, train the model using material datasets, generate possible crystal structures, analyze the generated materials. The in-scope activities include machine learning model training and data analysis. The out-of-scope activities include performing complex quantum mechanical simulation or real industrial material predictions. Our focus is mainly on AI-based predictions of crystal structures. In addition to understanding the CDVAE model, our project also focuses on studying how machine learning can assist in material discovery. We analyze how the model learns from existing crystal structure datasets and identifies patterns between chemical composition and crystal arrangement. Another important part of the project is data pre-processing, where the material dataset is cleaned and prepared before training the machine learning model. The step is important because high quality data helps improve the accuracy of the generated crystal structures. Our project also explores how AI models can generate multiple possible crystal structures which can later be tested by researchers for stability and usefulness. Through this project, we aim to understand how machine learning techniques can support scientific research in material science. Our proposed solution uses the CDVAE machine learning architecture. First, the system takes material datasets as input, then the machine learning model is trained on these datasets. The model learns patterns from existing crystal structures. After training, the model can generate new possible crystal structures based on the learned patterns. This approach helps researchers to explore new materials faster using artificial intelligence. Now let us look at the basic architecture of our system. The system works in three main stages. First is the input stage, where the material dataset is given to the system. Next is the processing stage, where data pre-processing and model training take place using CDVAE model. Inside the model, the data passes through components like the encoder, latent space, representation, and diffusion process. Finally, the output stage generates new crystal structures which can be analyzed further. To conclude, our project focuses on using machine learning techniques to generate crystal structures from chemical compositions. The CDVAE model helps accelerate the discovery of new materials by learning from existing crystal data. This approach can support research in many fields such as energy storage, electronics, and advanced systems and materials. In the further, we aim to implement the model, train it on datasets, and generate new crystal structures for evaluation. Thank you.